Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. He is the person I gave the book to. A, to whom. B, to who. C, to which. Option C is the correct answer. The cat sat the table, waiting for a treat. A, under B, on C, in. Option B is the correct answer. My neighbor, who is a chef, delicious meals. A, cooks. B, cook. C, is cooking. Option A is the correct answer. The team played well that they won the championship. A, so B, such C too. Option C is the correct answer. The team played well that they won the championship. A, so B, such C too. Option B is the correct answer. The company's profits significantly last quarter. A, increased. B, increase. C, increasing. Option A is the correct answer. She didn't buy the dress it was too expensive. A, because B, although C, so. Option C is the correct answer. He is the most talented artist in the class. Option B is the correct answer. They went to the park. They played frisbee. A, where. B, which. C, who. Option A is the correct answer. The children were excited the field trip. A, about B, with C, for. Option C is the correct answer. It was late. They decided to go home. A, since B, although C, unless. Option B is the correct answer. I'll call you as soon as I the news. A, hear. B, will hear. C, heard. Option A is the correct answer. The book was written a famous author. A, by B, with C, from. Option C is the correct answer. She speaks 3 languages, French, Spanish, and Italian. A, including B, besides C also. Option B is the correct answer. The movie was scary that I couldn't sleep. A, so B, such C, very. Option A is the correct answer. My brother, lives in London, is a doctor. A, who, B, which, C, where. Option C is the correct answer. He has been working here 10 years. A, for B, since C, by. Option B is the correct answer. The house was built in 1950, is being renovated. A, which, B, who, C, where. Option A is the correct answer. She finished her homework before she went out. A, had B, has C, is. Option C is the correct answer. We were tired, so we a taxi. A, took B, take C, we're taking. Option B is the correct answer. He always arrives time for his appointments. A, on B, in C, at. Option A is the correct answer. The new restaurant is good, as the old one. A, as B, so C, too. Option C is the correct answer. The weather was bad. We still went for a walk. A, although B, because C, since. Option B is the correct answer. She is interested learning a new language. A, in B, on C, with. Option A is the correct answer. The car broke down, so we had to it towed. A, get B, have C, make. Option C is the correct answer. I have a lot of work to do. I can't go with you. A, so B, but C, and. Option B is the correct answer. He gave me a piece of dash about my presentation. A. Advice. B. Advises. C. Advise. Option A is the correct answer. The company is looking for a person dash has good communication skills. A. Who. B. Which. C. Whom. Option C is the correct answer. The train dashed by the time we arrived at the station. A had left, B left, C was leaving. Option B is the correct answer. We were all surprised dash his sudden departure. A by B at C with. Option A is the correct answer. I dash not seen him since last week. A have B has C had. Option C is the correct answer. The movie was dash good that I watched it twice. A, so B, such C, very. Option B is the correct answer. She is the dash of the two sisters. A, taller. B, tallest. C, tall. Option A is the correct answer. He is a person dash I can trust completely. A, whom. B, who. C, which. Option C is the correct answer. The police are looking dash the stolen car. A for B, after C, at. Option B is the correct answer. I dashed to the party if I had known you were coming. A would have gone, B would go, C went. Option A is the correct answer. The teacher dashed us to be quiet. A told B, said. C asked. Option C is the correct answer. He is the person dash I gave the book to. A to whom, B to who, C to which. Option B is the correct answer. I am used dash up early. A to getting. B to get. C get. Option A is the correct answer. He promised dash me the next day. A, to call B, calling C, calls. Option C is the correct answer. I'm afraid I have to dash your offer. A, decline. B, declining. C, declined. Option B is the correct answer. She is an expert dash English grammar. A, in B, on C at. Option A is the correct answer. The students were dash with the difficult exam. A, struggling. B, struggled. C, struggle. Option C is the correct answer. He is the person dash I met at the conference. A, who. B, which. C, where. Option B is the correct answer. The boy dash was tired, fell asleep on the sofa. A, who. B, which. C, whom. Option A is the correct answer. We were told to dash the instructions carefully. A, follow. B, following. C, followed. Option C is the correct answer. He is the only one dash knows the answer. A, who. B, which. C, what. Option B is the correct answer. The company is looking for a person dash can work independently. A, who. B, which. C, what. Option A is the correct answer. I'm sorry, I can't come. I have a lot of dash to do. A, work. B, works. C, working. Option C is the correct answer. The book was so interesting that I couldn't put it dash. A, down. B, up. C, in. Option B is the correct answer. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.